Audio kan ló tún ti jáde yìí o, audio kan la tún gbọ́ yìí. K1 the ultimate, Mayegun in general, olórí ọmọọba of Ijebuland. Wọ́n nídìí ìtọ́sọ́nà, wọ́n nídìí ìtọ́sọ́nà Ọlọ́run, wọ́n nídìí kán bá wọn kún fún ìbẹ́ lọ́hùn, kán máa bẹ lọ́hùn gidi gan, kán sátọ̀ Ọlọ́run, because àwọn náà kọrin wípé torí páláṣọ àlà lèpo máa ń wá o, ẹni bá lórúkọ kò ṣe mẹ́dọ̀ o. Ṣé believe pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tégbèrègbè tán, àwọn voice note tí Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde tán fi ń threaten ẹni tó ní iléeṣẹ́ value jet ìyẹn Soname, voice note yẹn ti jáde o. Apology tó ń dẹ̀ ṣe mention wípé àwọn da liquid tó wà nínú cup yẹn pa àwọn dà sí àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ yẹn lára. Màá play audio yẹn fún yín sìn, nítorí pé àwọn yẹn náà nígbà tó ń bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ lórí phone tó ń béèrè question lọ́wọ́ wọn, àwọn yẹn náà smart to the extent that on note down, like on record gbogbo conversation wọn. Wọ́n wá ń try láti sọ pé nobody does this with me and go scot free, and gbogbo nǹkan táwọn bá máa ṣe àwọn máa make sure wípé Soname rí ọwọ́ àwọn lórí business ẹ̀. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kí n play audio yẹn fún yín. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lágbára, kọ́lọ́run ó ṣàánú wa ni.
I had a patient. I needed this water every second. I needed it. You don't want to see me shut down. That was a conversation between me and him. And when he left, he left me on the queue and he went to this person. They speak for some 2, 3, 4 minutes. And then we knock on the face. Somebody said, if you said, are you fair? That was my first notice. Are you fair? You're not fair. If you're fair, definitely you pick one thing out of it. That I am a patient. This is my water. Don't make it a national issue. That's what I said to you. If you believe in God, let them bring Bible, Quran.
Go ahead, just talk. Don't worry.
I said, don't bring it to a national issue. And he says, no. And the next thing, he instructed one person, don't let him go. I said, oh, is that the way you want it? If that's the way you want to turn, nobody's going in. That's it. And it gets to a point, you are gathering momentum, people are gathering, and I opened this. I opened this, and I put content for space. I said, this is water. How can you embarrass me? Soname, your boss, or Soname on the street, in government, I guarantee you, Soname, in government. I said, don't embarrass your boss. We will make this a natural issue.
Don't worry, it's okay.
My name is Wasiu Ayinde. Nobody talks that with me, I'm getting on with it.
It's okay. It's okay.
Nobody.
Okay.
Because I didn't go to look for trouble.
What is that?
I did not.
Okay.
I didn't bypass queue. I didn't jump queue. I didn't do anything. And the next thing I heard, you can't go on our flight.
Wow.
I don't want to go on that flight anymore in my life.
It's okay.
The Soname will feel it. Will feel me.
It's okay.
Will feel me.
It's okay.
In his business.
It's okay. Are you done, sir? Is that all that happened?
Sorry?
Is that all that happened?
That's it. That's the only thing that happened.
Thank you so much for being sincere.
Thank you. I've heard what you said, and ideally, if you have such conditions, the simplest thing to do is, if there is a medical report to back up your argument, then look, the doctor said I should be doing this because every airliner, everybody, there is this regulation of carrying liquids on board. And at a certain level, if you are able to go beyond that, I say, okay, this is my medical report.
For me, I just had my surgery. I'm a patient. Okay. I'm a diabetic patient. What I do constantly is, sorry?
Hold on.